So hello everyone. So here we are going to discuss memory segmentation. So we have to know what is meant by memory segmentation and why this memory segmentation is required. And by using this memory segmentation, how many segments we are going to use like CS, DS, ES, SS. So by using these segments, what advantages are there? So those things we are going to discuss in this topic. So segmentation means it's a process of dividing the entire memory space into smaller segments. So here we are going to divide the memory of computer into four segments. So they are code segment, data segment, extra segment and stack segment. Suppose if you are dividing like this, then code segment will handle the instructions, which means the codes. Data segment will handle the data. So like that, if you are dividing segments like this, each of the segment will take care of the particular task. So in that way, we can simplify the work so that processor can easily fetch the instruction, fetching the data and easily as well as quickly. So that is one of the advantage of making this kind of segmentation. So 8086 does not work the whole 1 MB memory at a given time. It is basically used to enhance the speed of execution of the computer system. As I told you, because of dividing like this segments, separate segments, the particular segment has its own responsibility. Whenever the instruction related to this particular segment, then that particular segment only will work. That particular segment will take care of that particular task. Other segments will not be involved in that particular. For example, data related things DS will take care of. That time CS will only focus on the instructions. So like that. So because of this segmentation, the speed of the execution of the computer system will enhance. So there are two types of segmentation. One is non-overlap segmentation, another one is overlapping segmentation. So non-overlapping segmentation means here four segments we have: code segments, data segment, stack segment and extra segment. Each segment of size 64 kilobytes. Each segment of size 64 KB. So one segment is not overlapped with the other three segments. You just see this segment is maybe start with 20000 to 2FFFF. This might maybe start from 30000 to 3FFFF. So like that, all these four segments are not overlapped with any other segments. So in this kind of segmentation is called non-overlap segmentation. Whereas overlapping segmentation is, see this one. In this also we have four segments: DS, ES, CS and SS. But all this four segmentations having 64 KB memory, but the difference is here green part is overlapped with this purple part, not purple, this rose pink color part. Then this pink color part overlap with this sky blue and sky blue overlap with this orange, right? So SS overlap with CS, CS overlap with ES, ES overlap with DS. So in this kind of segmentation is called overlapping segmentation. And advantages of segmentation. So it provides powerful memory management mechanism. Generally, if you wanted to do any particular task, if you form a team, then it will be easy to manage. So in the same way, here also, instead of maintaining the entire memory space as one segment, we are dividing that memory space into 4 different segments, and each and every segment has its own responsibility, and the particular segment will perform the particular task, so that the speed of execution will enhance, as well as managing will be easier. Memory managing will be easier. So next point, data related or stack related operation can be performed in different segments. That's what I said, that particular related operations will be performed in that related segments. So one segment won't disturb the other segments. Stack related means that will be performed in stack segment. Data related means that will be performed in data segments. Code related, instruction related means that will be performed in code segment separately. That is what given in the third point. Code related operation can be done separately in code segment. So this is the main advantage. Next one, it allows to processes to easily share data. And next one, it allows to extend the addressability of the processor. That is, segmentation allows to use 16-bit registers to give an addressing capability of 1 megabyte. Actually 16-bit register means 2 to the power of 16 if you take, you will get only 64 KB. So that much only we can do, but the processor having the capability of accessing 1 MB memory space by generating 20-bit address, right? So that is also possible because of segmentation. And next point, it is possible to enhance the memory size of the segments beyond 64 KB also. See in this, so we have used here 64 KB, here 64, here 64, here 64. But still some of the spaces are empty. If you wanted to extend, that also been possible because of this segmentation. That's what given here. You can enhance the memory size of the code data stack segments beyond 64 KB by allotting more than one segment for each area. So 2 code segments, 2 data segments, like that. If we take more than one segment, then the memory size also get enhanced. So I hope you understand what is memory segmentation. So memory segmentation is mainly used to divide the entire memory of the computer into smaller segments. So by using this technique, the speed of execution of the computer system will enhance. So in this 2 types are there, overlap and non-overlap, and some of the advantages we discussed. Thank you.